Hello guys, this is Alan from DXTECH-Global China here in Shandong province, China. Right now as I'm speaking in the center of our factory again, I'm thinking of some new idea to introduce our factory and this workshop, mainly producing and supplying laser cutting machine, press brake bending machine and laser welding machine. First of all, with this area, there are more than 60 sets of the single table laser cutting machine from 1.5 kilowatts to 6 kilowatts each month, transported and shipping to our customers around the world. Most of the size is 1.5 meter by 3 meter as a working and cutting area, which is equivalent to 5 feet by 10 feet. Because this can cover most of the metal sheets that our customer producing and processing, which is more than 4 feet by 8 feet or 48 inch by 96 inch. Actually, once again, the most important thing or component for a single table entry-level laser cutting machine are 4 things. The first thing is the control system. With the control system and software, you can make the drawing or import from outside to control the cutting path and the final shape of the workpiece. And it's down to 21.5 inch control screen. Okay. Second thing will be the laser cutting head. Normally we choose a Swiss retools BM10 or BM06T autofocus laser cutting head. And this is a very intelligent and cost-effective laser cutting head. We have been using and incorporating for many years. This is the second thing. Third thing, number 3 important, I think, is the driver, which is the motor, so motor, and which controls the moving direction with all axes. Normally we use Innovance currently for the laser cutting machine below 6 kilowatts, which is very cost-effective, and the performance is recognized by our customers around the world. Last important thing is the laser source. Some customers call it the laser generator. Normally we use Max, which is advanced and innovative private company in China, competing with Ricoh's, and now innovated their laser source with different wattage, middle or higher power, like 30,000, even 60,000 watts, widely and normally used in the market. Okay, and this machine normally shipped together with a 20-feet container. For most of the customers, they cut in stainless steel and carbon steel at the same time. We add the air compressor to replace the nitrogen consumption, together with the transformer or voltage regulator for customers from different regions. All along, we have more than 60 sets, I said, each month shipping and transporting to customers around the world. Okay, and this will be the single table laser cutting machine. And over there we have some pipe or tube cutting machine, and also some 2-in-1 combined laser cutting machine, which can cut in metal plates and tube at the same time. Like this one, you can see we share the same cross beam and the laser source and laser head, which can cut in the tube and the metal plates at the same time. Also, some of the customers from certain European countries or North American countries, they need the protective cover and the 18 table to accommodate or customize their requirement. That is also can be customized if you want that model. Okay. After this, I'm going to the press brake bending machine area to introduce some typical press brake bending machine and some main difference between the traditional model and the hydraulic intelligent model. Second floor is our production, design, and after service office. And like the first one floor, it will be our human resource department and some conference room. That's good. This small area is a display of our press brake bending machine. Unlike the cutting machine the press brake bending machine is a certain industry, but normally today work together with the cutting machine and the welding machine, because for some certain products, metal fabrication, after cutting, they normally need the bending machine for a subsequent process. See, like this one is a hydraulic 4+1 XD15 press brake bending machine with a 3.2 meters bending cable working area and 125 tons bending pressure. It depends on the maximum bending thickness and length that you want to bend, so we can accommodate and customize the tonnage and as well as the bending pressure. The difference between the hydraulic press brake and the traditional twisted axis one is the hydraulic proportional valve. You can see on top, and also working together with the encoder to control the moving distance of the sliders up and down. The traditional one, like the TP10S or E21, they don't have the proportional valve and the encoder. They only have some normal motors or servo motors to control the up and down of the sliders. So that is not very precise and accurate like this intelligent hydraulic press brake bending machine. Also, they have the compensation motor function over here with the dies, which can control the pressure bending on both in center and two sides are even. So that's another difference. And also the quality of the punching knife and dies as the mold, and also the oil cylinders are different quality levels between the traditional twisted axis and the advanced hydraulic press brake bending machine. And this one, the stop finger can go up and down, moving back and forth, and also sometimes it can moving left and right. Unlike the traditional press brake, can only doing some simple bending, and it's not as intelligent as this one. If you have any technical questions about this, also you can come to me and our engineer. And also this intelligent hydraulic press brake bending machine, as the standard one, has the segmented of the punching knife and also the anti-blocking side punching knife design, and also standard with the quick clippers. Okay. And also we have CO2 laser, which can mainly doing cutting and engraving on some non-metallic materials like acrylics and plywood and MDF. This is one of the laser welding machine, multi-function 4-in-1 laser welding machine, and it can do cleaning at the same time. This is a typical metal laser marking machine. Okay. After this press brake bending area, I'm going to the last area of the welding machine. Okay. And also I will take this chance to give you more introduction about the 2,000 square meters metal fabrication workshop. And follow me. Also, there are some of the stuff normally together, like I said, shipped with the cutting machine and the bending machine, like Max laser source and air compressor, and also the smoking exhaust fan, and also some of the related stuff for the machine. Most of the voltage regulators are transformer on this machine. this is the last area I want to introduce. Mainly our multifunction laser welding machine processing and disciplining area. So from 1.5 kilowatt to 3 kilowatts, multifunction means it can not only do some welding, but also can do some simple cleaning like the rust removal, and also straight cutting with the thickness below 2 millimeters. All of this multifunction standard laser welding machine is equipped with the auto wire feeders for steel and aluminum with different wires. Also, this small air compressor for the cleaning function when doing the rust removal. So I think this is my basic thoughts for today's introduction, and I think I will take care of some of the new customers when you see this video. Maybe generate some questions related. You can discuss with me and my colleague. Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to close as more deals as possible with you. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.